So what I did to use up some of the last bits of my kit is I decided to make 4 birthday cards. We are lucky enough that we have a bunch of birthdays in the summertime to celebrate. So I used a scrap of one and then I cut into a couple of other pieces of paper because I thought this would be a good use. And a couple of them are the kind that you just kind of stick into the gift bag. You know, I didn't size them for envelopes or anything like that. I just didn't worry that much about that part. So off camera, I went ahead and made a super easy shaker card. I used up the rest of my sequins that I had in the kit. And I took a frame that was in my chipboard pieces and just put a clear piece of packaging on the sticky part of the back of the frame, poured my sequins in and glued around that from the back and put another clear piece behind it. And that's how easy I made my shaker card. I just chose not to make it all that complicated. So that happy birthday piece right there is another chipboard piece, as well as that cute little birthday cake that is at the top there. And oh, and this cute little alligator / crocodile, I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to use that for my son's birthday card. I thought that was kind of cute. And so, I mean, these are like the world's simplest cards, but that's one of the things you can do with your leftovers. If you kind of know the kind of cards that you need to make, you can quickly put your, figure out what you want the base of your cards to be, and then just match up some goodies that go along with it. The nice thing is, I mean, is it nice? Not nice? I mean, I don't get that into Hallmark cards, the $7 cards. I'd rather make them. I'd rather receive them. So this is just a matter of using the base, a couple of pieces that I may not be using on layouts, and just popping them down. Like right here, I matched up this word that says yay underneath this shaker card, and it's the exact same pink. The pink is the same between the Jen Hadfield collection and that crepe paper collection. It's like this peachy pink. They're spot on, so that's nice and easy. And that's all I'm gonna really be doing to that card. You see me using my ATG gun to weigh down the wet glue on my shaker card, and I'm seeing if there's anything to use in my extra ephemera / die cuts. And I go ahead and just put in this funny little ostrich piece here. Oh, and I know that my ATG gun is making these videos shake a little bit. I'm going to go back to my regular filming tripod. I didn't realize when I was filming that it was making it shake. I don't like that at all. So I'll go ahead and bring my my regular tripod upstairs. It's not that big of a deal. And it's got a much more stable base. So we'll work that out shortly. Think it'll be great. And then what I'm doing is just putting a really simple die cut inside this seafoam green little card as well. It just says let's party, no big deal. One of my daughters no doubt will pick one of these to take to throw in with one of their girlfriend's gifts. So they're always asking me if I have a card and if I have them at the ready. All right, my friends, I finished these up really quickly. As you saw, I just made 4 very simple birthday cards. This one, I wanted to use up a bunch of sequins, so I went ahead and made a shaker pocket inside this crepe paper frame and just used these great little dimensional stickers that say yay. This Jen Hadfield paper, the pink, is like spot on for it, so that's great to use for a match, as well as popping in these little Spiegel Mom scraps. These sequins are just absolutely a gorgeous match again with the product that I have here. This one is exceedingly just generic, nice little happy birthday chipboard piece. Really beautiful gold tone paper. Inset just says happy birthday to you with a funny little ostrich. Easy peasy on that one. This one, I love this seafoam shade. Very simple chipboard piece, and we can use this for just about anybody for a quick, simple birthday card. You know how you add them into the little gift bags? That's what that plan is. And then this one right here is my son's birthday's coming up this month. He will not keep this card. He will not care at all. But in this crepe paper happy birthday line, they had this cute little alligator in there. I didn't know what else I would be using it for, so that works for him. He's going to be 23. I have HBTU, or to you, happy birthday to you. Nothing inside. I'll just write him a quick little message with his birthday gift that we already picked up. So that's what I came up with for my fourth little round here. The thing that took the longest, and I'm going to have to add some glue and some weight, is relearning how to go ahead and make a fun quick shaker card, making sure it can get a little shaky in there. And that's about it. I mean, there is no reason whatsoever not to go ahead and try your hand at making your own cards. If you have your goodies on your desk, I promise you can make a card that somebody will end up loving. All right, we'll see you guys later. I have no clue what my plan is yet for my July kits. I have a feeling it's either going to be Wolf Pack or it's going to be Indigo and Ivy. I'm not sure, but that depends if I'm feeling the need to go with like more of a subdued color palette after all the fun stuff of these summer kind of layouts. So we'll see you soon. Be sure to go ahead and look at the links below for the fabulous designs of both Maggie and Desiree, and like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. I love to hear from you, so try to leave me a comment if you can. Oh, right over there, I have two bulldogs snoring away, so that's a beautiful sound you get to hear in my videos. Okay, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.